Hi, let's have a look at a Bain Marie from Royal Catering. A device very versatile and useful. It's great for buffets and also in a commercial kitchen on a section, just to keep your condiments hot when you need them. Just for an example, if you're running an Italian place and you're using a lot of tomato sauces or different bases, instead of sacrificing one of your burners, because that's always useful during service, you can get one of those. You drop it on a section and you have your hot sauces ready on hand at all times. So let me just go through all the details, right? So you have this stainless steel construction. It works with 150 watts of power for each chamber, so it's 4 times 150 watts. And that's the cool feature about it, because you can set different temperatures for each chamber. You can put different stuff in it, so you have this variety, and everything is at the right temperature, right? As the name suggests, it works like a simple Bain Marie. So what you do, you have the cylinder container, the vessel, where you put the water in. The heating element heats up the water, and the water keeps your food at the right temperature. So at this point, it's really important to remember that this device is not designed for cooking. It's not designed to get the meals ready. It's where you merely drop your food that's already preheated, and it keeps the temperature at the desired level. So there's a couple advices I can give you. First of all, when you're dropping your food in, it needs to be at the right temperature, so above 65 degrees, which is the beginning of the safe zone. Also, a cool thing to remember is to put hot water in this device straight away, because it simply shortens the time of the device to heat up and to get to the right temperature. Talking about the right temperature, you have 4 knobs there. Each knob is to regulate the temperature, so as I said, you can set different temperatures for each chamber, and you can set them between 30 and 110 degrees. So obviously water doesn't go above 100 degrees, but it's for the initial heating phase. So when you put cold water inside, you just put it on 110 degrees. When it starts steaming, you know it's hot, so you can drop it to whatever you need. And at this point, also a good advice, it's not designed to stay at the maximum temperature at the whole time. So after a while, when you keep it at 110 degrees, this device may overheat, and then you have to wait for it to reset. So always remember to drop it back down to around 50, 60, 70 degrees, but you're the chef, you'll figure it out what temperature you need. So let me just show you how it works. As I said, there's a marking inside on how much water it fits in. According to the instruction, it's a 1 liter. One advice there, never overfill the tank, because then when you drop your cylinder with your food inside, it will overflow. So always make sure it's at the right level. So I got it up to the max, let's hope. There you go, it's just enough. So I prepared a Mexican soup just to show you a simple example of what you can put inside. Of course, you know best what you need it for. And that's about it. One word to the indicators. You may see these lights flashing during service. That's because each chamber has its own temperature control. It's an automated temperature control. So what it does, it basically switches the heating element on and off during service in order to keep the preset temperature level. With this device, you're getting a 3-year warranty, which is really cool, because normally kitchen equipment goes with 12 or 24 months. So 3 years is actually a very cool thing to have. So you don't need to worry about it. But honestly, it's a very robust machine. It's stainless steel construction, so it's very solid. So nothing that could break. Even if it does, you have 3 years. So don't worry. If you order this one, it will come in a box, just like this one. And that's quite kind of important, because it travels quite a long way. So it's good to know that it arrives. It's being shipped in a really sturdy cardboard box with lots of packaging material in it, bubble wrap, and so on. So nothing will happen to it, no matter what the delivery guy does to it. Also inside, you will find an instruction manual, just like this one. Please have a look at because there's a lot of useful information on how to prepare the device for its use, how much water you need in the Bain Marie, how often you need to check it, and so on and so on. So quite a few details that may come in handy later on. So definitely a good read. If you look at the website, you will find a range of these machines on offer, so you will definitely find the one that you need for your place. And that's about it, what I have to say about this machine. If you found this informative, just have a look at the comment section, leave me a message what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.